Hi, if you are seeing this video, it's because you're my subscriber or the algorithm pushed my video to you. Whichever way is because you need my video, that's why it's being shown to you. Welcome to my channel. This is Kuchela Crafts. Now, in this video, we're going to learn how to finish up the gele. This particular gele, I'm not showing it in details because I already have a class on where I finished. I made a design, so I'm going to put the link of that tutorial in the description. Here I'm just trying to show you how I've achieved that design on the right hand side. Okay, now I used about 5 layers of ashoke to make this gele. All right, so 5 layers, I cut it together, I joined it together and started pleating. So on the left hand side, you're going to pleat it all through, and when you are getting close to where you want to stop, you obviously have a mark where you want to stop. All right, I'm now going to isolate the first 3 on top and then finish up the other 2 below, which is on the right hand side. All right, so that's what I'm doing. I hope you took note of how I'm trimming it. This way I'm trimming it, that's the way you're going to trim yours. All right, and after trimming it, obviously, then on the other side, you see I've already fixed a strap. So I fixed a strap on the left hand side and also fixed a strap on the right hand side. The strap on the right hand side only captured those 2 layers of ashoke that I finished. Okay, so then I will start to fold it, sew it down. So fold it into, all right, do double folding on those edges where you cut off. That's what I'm doing here. Sew it down and then you are good to go, meaning it's not going to fray anymore because you don't want it to fray. So then place it on the dummy and tie it back because you can't finish it off without tying it. So here you will hold it down and sew it. See the way I sewed it. Hold it down here and sew it very tight, sewing, just in out, in out, in out, like 4 times. Then you tie it back. Try to get this angle above the eye of the dummy. So that explains that you must be able to use a dummy to make your gele. You hold it down. So after sewing it, yes. After sewing it, I'm tying it back now. After sewing it, the next thing to do will be to see what we have left. All right. Then tuck it in at the back, kind of a fold at the back, and then take it up this way. See what we have. Is it syrup? All right, tuck this one in at the back. Is it syrup or tablet? So that is it. So you sew here. Oh. So see the back view. See the back view. See the outside. See it. I had to tuck it in this way. Then to keep it in place, you tack it. Just find any pleats here. Tack it to it. And the sewing should not be a tight sewing, so that it doesn't alter the pleats in front. And any other place you think you need it, so that you will have a very neat gele, both front and back. So see what we have now. The back view, the front view.
You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done.